We are making, what are we making? We're in front of Johnny Depp's Island, and what are we making, Sam?
We're making fish out of palm fronds.
Oh, palm fronds. We're making fish out of palm fronds.
Yep, well, don't pull it yet, because you got to make your second loop. Yeah, pretty much, that's it. Just going to push this back. Yeah, so you can cut your tails
Okay,
a little shorter.
show me your fish.
Sandy's a...
Mwah. I love these ripples in the sand when low tide comes. It's so damn cool. We still got another hour and a bit, hour and a half, for all this water to disappear and be beautiful sand just like you see down here in front.
this is how we served our customers here.
Why, thank you, kind sir.
All right, so what is that? What's in there?
I don't know.
It's your vodka.
The vodka, berry vodka.
Yeah,
Yummy.
not a bad resort, eh?
It's perfect. It's the best resort.
All right.